Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I finally got my starter kit, but I had already started dashing before I received the kit. I think it took like a week or two, maybe. I can't really remember. But this is just simple personal information that I decided to cover up because we have a lot of crazies. But you get a hot bag, which I kind of understand why people went and bought their own hot bag, because the way this one is made at the top, you can kind of see like it has the little slits, so when you zip it, it doesn't close the bag all the way, so the heat or the cool air, whatever you have in the bag, probably be coming out of it. So I'll be ordering me my own hot bag, but my orders have been so close together, so I really don't have to use it to put my food in right now. But I will order one for future orders, and they also send you like a hand sanitizer. I don't think I'll be using it because I already have my own. I've been using my own hand sanitizer, plus I can just save this for backup whenever I run out of my own hand sanitizer. And sorry for the blurredness. I try to adjust the lens a little bit so you can see, but it just has DoorDash hand sanitizer and all that on it. And you also get this card, like the red card. In my area, I don't have to use the red cards, but I know when I go like travel and go to different cities or something, I may have to use it. Hopefully I will not have to use it. But it also has like your I think your name and stuff on it. I can't really remember, but I think I went ahead and activated it and just put it in my wallet just in case. But like I said, in my area, I don't have to use that card. And you also get a DoorDash mask. This is the only thing that I really was waiting on getting, because I hate going into the restaurant and they're like, can I take your? I'm like, no, I'm here for DoorDash. With the mask, they automatically know you're here for DoorDash. But that concludes my video. Sorry it's short. I'm currently actually door dashing, so I just stopped to take a second to stop at my unit, record this for you guys. So bye.